For those of you who don't know me, my name is Kendra. I'm a teacher and founder of Orange Roots Online Tutoring, where I specialize in math instruction. With students being out of school, I knew I wanted to bring math into the home somehow, and that's why I created my YouTube channel. Monday to Friday, starting next week, I am going to be posting a daily video on one way your elementary school aged children can engage in mathematics on a daily basis at home. Let me give you a little more information on what these daily math engagements will entail. All right, so here we are, Math Game Mondays. Every Monday, I'm going to introduce a new math game to you. This may be a card game, an app, or something else. Tips and Tricks Tuesdays. Here, I will give you a mini math lesson and give you my little tips and tricks for understanding them. I love making things visual and using metaphors for students to grasp the more abstract concepts. Word Problem Wednesdays, an area of struggle for many. It's my goal to help students make sense of what these problems are saying and construct a step-by-step process to solve them. Think and Make Thursdays. This will involve me giving you a challenge, and you're going to make something to solve it. The possibilities are endless here, which is really exciting. Hands-on learning using materials most people have in their home. Find the Math Fridays. On Fridays, I will provide you with a photo or a video, and your job is to brainstorm a list of all the math involved. This can be in the form of what you observe or questions you may ask as a thinking mathematician. These daily math engagements are meant to be collaborative activities that can be shared with siblings and/or parents and caregivers. They can also be adjusted to meet the skill level of your child. I'm so excited about this series, and I hope you'll join me. Please share this video with anybody who you think will benefit. Bye for now.